morning. I am loading us up to go spend the weekend with our good friends the Rhodes. Up till today we have just been going back and forth to the hog butchering, but we're actually going to stay the night this time.
Hey, how you doing? About that they don't farm like this.
His family.
Did you watch it?
So Jess and I
don't think so.
I'm not still. You got a lot of product on you. I think this comes out, but this definitely comes out as first thing. Okay.
No, you're good.
We just want to follow this.
That's awesome.
you can only do so much.
Yeah, you can only do some boss change so we can start.
Everybody wants to see the big face.
There's the tongue.
Oh wow.
That's a big tongue.
Oh, it's so
Oh!
So creepy looking.
That's like a horror movie.
Isn't it? It's kind of morbid. Yeah. But it's going to be delicious.
Tell me once more what we're doing with the pig face mask. So the pig face mask called porchetta de testa, or a rolled head, is going to be slow cooked. I'm gonna set up some spices. I'll set some sugar, a little touch of honey and some salt, so it's flavorful. And we'll cure it in a bag, in a vacuum seal bag like this. Yeah. And then I'll put it on a static heat, probably about 150 degrees, in a water bath, so that's sous vide or low temperature cooking. Yeah. And we'll run it all night. And that's to get the collagen and the skin to get tender. So then you cut thin slices, or we roast it out, and you can cut chunks, so you can put it in with pasta or different vegetable, like greens, and you can have this, you can coat it and fry it.
Yeah, I think I'm looking forward to that more than anything.
Yeah.
We're eating it tomorrow, right?
I think we can get enough cook time on it. If we can get it soft enough, I think we can get into that.
Hey, we'll take it slow. Yeah, me and Josiah have been doing all the boards. He gets to do that, and I get to do this one. This. The roof is pretty sturdy. Okay, get out on your ladder.
You can hardly find like this anymore. All of the children having fun like this.
Look at your herd. It's like you have a legit herd of cows.
I know, it's crazy.
Okay, so has Sud Muffin done his thing yet?
No.
But she's pregnant already.
Yeah.
So you're just waiting for her to go into...
Bossy, yeah.
What's his name?
Gary's friend. Collarbones. They're holler at even.